Have you ever read an article and wanted more? Have you ever been watching a television interview and heard the announcement of a new book to be released soon? Have you ever been in school and had a teacher assign a large research project? Well, I have, but I didn't want to have to go out and buy all those expensive books. I also didn't want to have to comb through each and every book in the library to find the one I'm looking for, or have to travel to different libraries that could be far away to get it. My friends, there is a solution, and it's called the online catalog.
Welcome to the internet, where all of the information you need is stored. All you have to do is Google Moreno Valley Public Library and let the fun begin. You can find out about the Veterans Connect, see how to get a library card, look at the library events calendar for both library branches, or access our ebooks and online resources, among other things. But if you go up to the top, in the blue box called Library Online Services, you'll find the button for Library Catalog and My Account. They are two of my favorite features because they are very convenient for my busy lifestyle. When you click My Account, you will be asked to put in your library card number, which is found on your library card under the barcode. It will also ask you for a 4-digit PIN. Now, you may be asking, what PIN? I don't remember setting up a PIN. That's because you didn't set up a PIN. The PIN for everyone's card by default is the last 4 digits of their phone number. Okay, so you've logged in. Now you have a screen full of options. Where to start? Well, on the home screen, you can see all of your information and make sure it is up to date. Under Items Out, you can see all of the items currently checked out to you. You also have the option of renewing what you have out. Renewing items gives you more time to enjoy and return them. It also keeps you from accruing fines when you can't make it into the library to return them on time. On the side, it will tell you how many renewals you have left, which will be accurate as long as no one puts a hold on the item. Speaking of holds, under Requests, you can see the items you have placed on hold or reserved from other libraries. You can do things to manage your hold requests by setting a date you want the request to be filled, canceling orders you no longer want, or checking the shipment status of your items. If an item says pending, it is still in the process of being acquired and has not yet been sent out. If it says active, it is currently checked out and you are waiting for it to get returned. If this happens, that may mean there is a waiting list for that item. Your account online will also tell you what place you are in line. If it says shipped, it is on its way to your pickup library and should be arriving soon. The amount of time it takes to ship an item varies depending on where the item is coming from and also what day of the week it is, because we do not receive shipment Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. If your hold says canceled, either you stopped the request in your account or you might have missed the pickup date for your item. We hold items for 10 days before we send them back, and you will be notified when they get here either via text, phone call, or email, whichever you have your account set to. Also in this window, you can look at any fees you may have, which you can pay in person, and look through your saved searches, which are searches you made in the catalog you want to come back to. And since we're talking about the online catalog, let's get to the main part of this video. From inside your account, you can see the Search tab. If you click that, you will be given a list of possible ways to search for an item. The most useful I have found is the keyword search. You can now type in a title, author, or keyword and get results for what items we have in the system that meet these criteria. Once you get your results, the best thing you can do is sort the search results by relevance. Relevant means that it is the most useful for the term you searched. It works better and gets more accurate results than sorting by title or publication date. You can now scroll through all your results in the convenience of your own home. When you find one you like, you can see which libraries carry it and if it is checked in by clicking Availability. In this screen, you can find out exactly where in the library it is shelved. And look, it's checked in! If you want to see all the details about the item, you can click Full Display. Here you will find a summary of the book, publication information, and so much more. Finally, you have the button for Place Request, where you can put items you like on hold. When putting an item on hold, you select your pickup library and then click Place Request. Another important feature if you are looking for a book you can pick up right away is the Narrow Your Search tab, where you can choose specific libraries to filter by. For example, you can search just for our items that are available now. It is such a useful feature when narrowing down pages of results. If you want to get even more specific, Below the search bar, you will see Search By and Limit By. Here, you can sort by type of search and type of material you are searching for. If you select More Search Options, you can see even more ways to find exactly what you want. Be careful though, limiting search results means you will have less to sort through when looking for specific items, but will also mean you will have less available options pop up. And when all else fails, you can get tips and instructions here. On the left side of the screen, above the Narrow Your Search options, you will see My Lists. Here, you can save search results you want to remember and reference later. After creating a saved list, you can continue browsing through search results. When you see one you want to remember, you click Add to List, and the search result will be saved to the list you select. You can then view the list and all its contents. Save the list to your device, print the list, or email it to yourself for access later. If you ever want to remove a search result or create a new list, you can do that also. This catalog has so many handy features that may seem intimidating at first, but are actually really useful. To review, we've logged into our account, renewed items, checked out our current holds, browsed the catalog, and made our own custom lists and holds. Now you too know how to use the online catalog. Happy searching!